Hey everybody, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. For over 16 years, we've been creating tools designed to make life easier for business owners, ranging from small and medium-sized businesses to some larger corporations. Every week, we get emails from users like you sharing how our tools have made a real difference in your work. From simplifying complicated tasks to cutting down on errors, our tools have helped people save time and make their processes so much easier. Knowing how much these tools are helping people is what drives us to keep improving and creating even better solutions. With over 7,500 happy customers, it's clear that these tools are doing exactly what they're meant to do, solving real problems and making life a little easier for businesses of all sizes. We're so proud to be part of these success stories and can't wait to help even more people streamline their work. We're incredibly proud of our 120 plus 5-star Google reviews, which showcase how our tools have made a real impact for businesses and individuals alike. These reviews come straight from our users, sharing their honest experiences with our products and support. Take a moment to browse through them and see exactly how our clients feel about our tools. Their feedback speaks volumes about the value and reliability of what we offer. Today, I'm excited to introduce one of our most powerful tools, the Trucking Cost Per Mile Calculator. This tool is a flexible and user-friendly tool designed to calculate delivery costs based on driving distance, package weight, and customizable rates. Whether you're delivering small packages or managing long-haul freight, this tool has you covered. Let me show you how it works. First, set your rates. The tool includes a default rate that applies to all deliveries unless otherwise specified. You can also set custom rates for specific clients, which the tool will automatically apply when it matches the client name to the delivery card. For example, a pickup fee of $10 covers the first 10 miles of driving. Additional miles are charged at 25 cents per mile. Up to 10 pounds of weight is included in the base rate, but anything above that incurs a surcharge, like 5 cents per pound per mile. Next, input delivery data. Enter the details like the pickup address, delivery address, package weight, and client name. The tool uses the Google Maps API to calculate driving distances with pinpoint accuracy, down to the hundredth of a mile. We have a separate video that walks you through setting up the Google API key step by step. Once the data is entered, click the Calculate button, and the tool will generate mileage between the pickup and delivery points, and you'll have the delivery cost based on the rates and package details. It's as simple as that. Some of the businesses that are already using this tool are trucking and freight. They use this tool to calculate costs for long-haul deliveries with dynamic pricing structures. Small package delivery services. It helped them manage costs for short-distance deliveries with multiple clients. Logistics and warehousing. It streamlined cost calculations for their high-volume deliveries. The flexibility to adjust rates and customize variables means the tool adapts to your specific pricing structure and client needs, no matter the size of your operation. But if you need customizations to this generic tool, just let us know. We're happy to fine-tune the tool to meet your needs. You can find our contact details in the description below. And yes, we do answer the phone. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to simplify your delivery cost calculations, download the Trucking Cost Per Mile Calculator using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tools and updates. Until next time, happy calculating.